Hi everyone and happy Thursday. It's Lindsay. I am here with a designer box tonight. I am excited to get that open. I have not done a designer box in a few weeks. So we will get to that momentarily. I hope you're having a great week. If you're new to my channel, my name's Lindsay. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, The Real, and also here on YouTube. I normally post videos Mondays and Thursdays. I do drop in bonus content though, like I did last night. If you missed that video, make sure you go back and check it out. I did share a Thredup 15-piece mixed jewelry box with you, and it was an absolutely amazing box. I did receive a native 925 sterling cuff, which was really special. During the unboxing, I had missed the mark on it. And before I had put a price on the screen, I went and tested it and was coming back sterling. So I checked it out better and it was marked, and I was able to find the artist, his website, and it did have a picture of that cuff bracelet in his gallery. So I think it was a very limited edition piece and really special. So like I said, if you missed it, I will link that video here so you can go back and check it out. It is raining a little bit right now, so hopefully the background noise is okay. I'm going to record another video or two after I'm done with this one that will be airing next week. But after that, that'll probably be my last videos out in this area for the winter. This is not a temperature controlled room, and I am being forced out of here so we can move the outdoor furniture in and the hoses, and I will be back inside. And I need to find out where I'm going to record in there, because I used to record at the dining room table, but that has been taken over by my jewelry. So I'll have to see what I'm going to do, but I will figure it out. So let's go ahead and get this open. This did come from my storage closet, so I'm not sure when it was ordered. It did come from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I have not ordered any of these boxes recently, but I've seen a couple openings. Steph Style has ordered some, and Christina at Stino Resells, and they've been decent boxes. So I will give them another shot at some point, but I think I still have about a handful left. And I don't see an invoice in this one, but I'm seeing if there's a date possibly on the FedEx sticker. It looks like it was back around May possibly that I ordered this, but let's go ahead and get a first look. There are some shoes in there, which is great. I did go through a stretch of boxes with no shoes, so let's see what we got. First up is Badgley Mishka, and these are a satin pump with a rhinestone embellishment on the strap, and I don't think we're missing stones, but there's a couple that are maybe a little bit dark on there, and maybe missing one in the back. So I'll have to check those out closer, but otherwise these are in really good shape. They're a 6.5. Definitely known to be like special occasion shoes for weddings, bridesmaids, stuff like that. So I bet these were only worn one time and then gotten rid of. The taps and everything are in really good shape. So these don't resell for a whole lot, but I think I can still move them. So not bad. This is just lifting up a little bit on that one, but not a big deal. So those are pretty. Next up are some Manolo Blahniks. And these are pretty cool. They have a clear, like, plastic heel. And I assume there should have been a tap there, but I don't know. It looks like something might be missing. They are black leather and then black patent on the straps. And these ones are 37.5, handmade in Italy. So those would probably fit about a 6.5 to a 7. So not in bad shape. Very interesting style. I will have to look into these. But this brand usually sells pretty well for me. They're really bendy. So I don't know if that is intentional or they've just been worn a lot. And this one does have a tap on the bottom, so those will both need to be replaced. But I would probably just sell those as is. They're still in decent condition. And our last pair of shoes here are Ferragamos. And these are a pointed toe kitten heel with a sling back. Very soft leather. It is pretty cut up on the toe there. So that will need to be polished up a little bit. And it looks like they have been resold. These are a 9 AA, so a 9 extra narrow. But at least a good size. And this one's in a little bit better shape in terms of the toe, but still some scuffing. But the leather on these is really soft. So those are definitely listable. The Ferragamos do sell for me. And we have a couple clothing items and possibly a purse. So this is 2 pieces here. Let's see, these are pants. And these are St. John Sport in a size 6. And they are like a black jean, I guess. They have a button with a fold over bra hook closure there. And there's really no stretch to them, just a straight leg, very simple pant. So those aren't going to resell for a ton, but it looks like they're in good shape. That brand is definitely one that I would list myself and not try to send into the real. Doesn't go for a whole lot, but you could probably get, you know, 35 or something like that for those. And next piece here is a Trina Turk. Definitely a very low-end designer in terms of resale. But it is a pretty dress. It is like a pinky orange, one shoulder, and then it does have that little detail there. And it does feel like it's silk. Let's see if there is an interior tag here. It is 100% silk on the exterior, 100% polyester on the lining, dry clean only. And this one, the size does not appear to be legible, but it looks like it's probably a small, maybe a size 4, something like that. But it is a pretty dress, so I will look into that one, but definitely not something that's going to resell for a ton. And it is, the rain is starting to pick up, so hopefully it is not too loud. Next is Rodarte, or Rodart. I've never received this brand before, but it is a hoodie, tie-dye. And it does definitely have some pilling and wash wear on it, so it needs a good sweater shave. It says Los Angeles on the sleeve, and then the branding on the front. And the inside is very soft, but definitely shows wash wear. I'm not seeing staining from the first look. It's a size small, 50% cotton and 50% polyester, made in the USA. So that is an interesting item and a new to me brand. And the last piece is a skirt, actually. I thought this was a purse, but it is a leather skirt that appears to be snakeskin. This is Michael Kors. And it is a size 2, made in Italy, Michael Kors collection. This is 100% python. So this is definitely a higher end Michael Kors. I wouldn't be surprised if the retail price on this was around $1,000. But unfortunately it doesn't retain a lot of resale value. But this is in great condition, it looks like. It's got a side zip that's working. It does have belt loops and rear pockets. This is gorgeous. And the snakeskin is in really nice condition. It's not flaky or dry feeling. It's really soft. So I'm actually excited about looking into this. The inside is very soft leather. And I assume this would need a professional leather cleaning if you were going to attempt it. It's a dry clean only by a professional leather dry cleaner. So I can't imagine this has even really been worn. It is beautiful. So I will see about that. Hopefully that would go for a little bit to compensate for some of the box. This was not a great box, and definitely a lot of Luxe brands. We had Michael Kors, this Rodarte or Rodarte. I don't think this is going to go for a whole lot, especially in this condition. That was number 2. We had the Trina Turk dress, which is pretty. And then we had the St. John pants for number 4. 5, the Ferragamo shoes. 6 were the Manolo Blahniks. And lastly were the Badgley Mishka. So I think it is possible to get my money back on this box, possibly turn a small profit. The good thing is there's not going to be any extensive repairs. Everything should be pretty easy to list, but just really lacking that wow factor in the box. I am grateful to see the shoes in there though, and I really like that skirt. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts were about the box. If you had a favorite item, let me know. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll be back on Monday with a brand new video. I do have a Coach box I'll be sharing soon, a fun box, and also the 15-piece mix handbag. So it will probably be one of those. So stay tuned for Monday. I will see you then.